So, ever wanted to organize, structure and send emails from Excel? Well, you can. Here I have a list of names alongside their email addresses, and I want to send each person an email. I can put together a dynamic formula which allows me to adapt each email as necessary. Before I do, let's first understand the components of the email. The name and email address are variables as they change for each individual. However, the subject, body text and CC email are fixed values. That's why I've put these at the side, ready to be referenced. Using the hyperlink function, I'll string everything together to construct the template. To start with, let's use the parameter mailto, in quotations, followed by an ampersand and the range referencing the emails. Then I'll put an ampersand to join the next parameter, subject equals, in quotations again, another ampersand followed by the subject text reference. I'm sure you get the idea by now, so I'll go ahead and structure the rest of the email. I've concatenated the body parameter with the string hi, the list of names, a comma, and the body text. I've also included the CC parameter and its reference. And finally, in the friendly name argument, I'll put send email in quotes. This is what will be visible in each cell. The formula is now complete and ready to be tested. Before I do, I will quickly use Format Painter to ensure the other three links look the same as the first. Click on the first cell and Outlook opens with the email all set. However, there's an obvious problem. The line breaks included in the body text are not present. Unfortunately, that's because they are not recognized in the cell. There is a code we can include though. It's %OA. Including two of these consecutively on every other line will give us nicely spaced out text. Let's check again. It's all correct now. And we can quickly go through the others as well. That's correct. That's correct. And that's correct. So they all look good, ready to be sent.